Hey there YouTube, High Mileage Rider here, and we're going to start episode 3. Now, we're going to start this with a bit of a preface. I was planning on doing more mechanical work, but I'll explain a little bit later why we're not. So I'm going to start to do some cleaning of the bike. So I shot a little video in a bit of showing all the tar and stuff, dirt that's on the bike. So we're going to attempt to polish it up while I'm waiting to hear back from a mechanic. And yeah, we'll show you some before and after video and pictures of how nicely this bike cleans up. If you're interested, we'll see you in a minute. Hey everybody, we're back. And today I'm going to take a little break from doing mechanical stuff and we're going to clean up the outside body a little bit. So let's give you a look at what we're dealing with. Okay. So last night I was able to use some Goo Gone to get tar off the back of the bike. And then I put a coat of wax on it. It's looking nice. Did up the side. Now the front of the bike is going to be the challenge. As you can see, lots of tar. And this is tar that's been on there for 15 years. So, it will be a little challenging to get it all off. But that's okay. Who doesn't like a bit of a challenge? We'll be back in a bit. Okay, so after about 4 hours of polishing, we've managed to, or I have managed to get a lot of good results so far. We'll show you what we've done so far. Polishing that saddlebag guard. I'll show you a picture of what it looked like before. These side panels and the side of the bike, it's coming clean very nicely. Let's move to the front. And I don't know if you remember, but there was tar all around this headlight. Big strip of tar here down the middle. We got all that tar off. The radiator guard is polished up nicely. This side, sorry about that, my neighbors are doing some lawn maintenance. This side of the bike, all the tar off of this panel, all the tar off of around the fog light on this side. And we'll just turn the wheel again so you can see all the tar off inside here and underneath. So it's coming along quite nicely. Next step will be polish these engine guards. See if we could do something with these front brake covers, and then we'll tackle the front of the bike, see how she polishes up. We'll be right back. Oh, I guess I should tell you as well, once we take these pie covers off from the front brakes, we're going to see if we can polish up these wheels. You can see these are pretty darn disgusting. I've been watching some videos by a gentleman called Clifford Rice, and hopefully his technique will help me polish these up so they look brand new. We'll see you in a bit. So I promised an explanation as to why we had started to do some polishing on the bike versus more mechanical work. Well, we're waiting for parts. They still do make all the parts for this 1991 Goldwing SE. But they're not all readily available. So it's going to be a couple weeks until the carburetor rebuild kit comes in, until the timing belts come in with the timing belt cover gaskets. So in those couple of weeks, we'll spend some time cleaning the bike. So I started taking all the tar off, as I've shown you previously, started scrubbing all of the chrome for the engine guards, the saddlebag guards, and all the rest of the chrome around the bike. I thought I'd do something different today and actually tackle the saddlebags. There's some interesting things left in there from the previous owner. But it's cleaned up really nice. He had some carpet in there, which I don't think I'll have to replace. I've been shampooing it and cleaning out the inside. Let's show you what the bags look like. Let me just reverse the camera. Okay. So it's quite a large trunk, and I pulled the carpet out. I have vacuumed, washed, cleaned, and then Lysol spray the whole thing. These little dividers sit up here to separate stuff within the trunk. There's the carpets, the bigger one from the trunk, the smaller one from the right-hand saddlebag. And here's the saddlebag. This is the air line that you can use with the onboard compressor to fill your tires if you need air. It's a good sized saddlebag. It extends into the body of the motorcycle. Again, I'm going to wash it, just vacuumed it out, clean it, do the same thing on the other side. So I made a run to Canadian Tire today, picked up a host of cleaning products, including detailing products for the dash. We're going to clean all of this on the bike. Going to pull all the wires up, clean everything nice, make sure that all the wires are good. And hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll have some more parts. After I clean the saddlebags, we're going to get back to the tar, the never-ending tar. I hope you like what it looks like when it's finally done, because it'll look beautiful, I think. It'll be really good. Anyways, we'll see you soon.